In this video, I'm going to design different characters and send it to GSJJ company to turn my design into reality. Here is the list that we need to design. Also, I'm going to customize a jacket and wear it all together at the end of this video. Now, let's listen to music and let's jump right in. Yeehaw!
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
First, I'm going to redesign my logo and turn it into real-life button pin.
Go outside.
Now, it's time for the coloring.
We can
I'll be using the same colors and add the flowers for the background.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good
I really like how my new logo turning out. Look at that.
falling. All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna
Button pin design is done.
me making angels in the sand.
Now let's start designing for the patches. For the patches, I'm going to draw a smiley with my Japanese name on it. Very simple.
Santa's coming to visit.
Patches is done.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.
Oops, wait. I got 35k subscribers. Thank you so much everyone. Let's make it 1 million. Yeehaw! Now it's time for the keychain. I have my ready design for this, so I will just transfer it to my computer to add some details and background so it will look good when it become a real keychain.
You can hear the caroling song with all Santa's little helpers. Can't wait for him to be along. That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me.
Before I continue coloring, I need to buy a hoodie jacket to customize it later.
Picking out the leaves.
Order is placed. Now, let's continue coloring.
That's Christmas to me. That's Christmas to me. That's
Keychain is done. Now, it's time for the animal pin. I have my tree sketch right here and this is the chosen one. Now, let's start working for the animal pin. I really like how the character turning out because she looks cute and funny. Animal pin is done. Now let's start designing for the wristband. But first, let's transfer my ready sketch right here to do the design digitally. By the way, for the stickers, I'll be using 3 different characters that I made in my previous video. If you want a custom sticker like me, just visit GSJJ Custom Sticker website. Link is in the description. While coloring, something arrived. Oh, this is the hoodie jacket that I ordered few days ago. But before the hoodie, let's continue coloring the wristband. Wristband is done and everything's complete. Now, I'm going to send all the design to GSJJ company to turn my characters into reality. While waiting for the custom things to arrive, let's start working for the hoodie jacket. First, let's print my drawing design to the special transfer paper. Now, let's cut the edge and place it on a jacket. I'll be using the iron to heat transfer the design. It's my first time doing this, so wish me luck. Oh, it doesn't work. Why? So because my plan didn't work, let's do the boring part. Waiting for the package to arrive. Oh, it's finally here.
Do just what you want.
quick happy pose for you. Let's unbox it. Yay!
And I'll always be right.
Wow, these are the wristbands and it looks so sick. Look at that. These are the button pins. And these are the high quality stickers. These are the 2 patches design and I'm excited to use it. These are the keychains. Now, let's have a look with enamel pin. Wow, look at that! It's a very nice feeling to see your drawing become like this because you can touch it, wear it, and I really love it. Thank you GSJJ and Custom Sticker for collaborating with me. I decided to do the heat transfer design once again and I hope this time it will work. I watched some tutorial video about heat transfer paper and I discovered that you need to peel the back of the paper before ironing.
For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Wish me luck.
For the record, 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 been a little.
Wow, finally it worked! Now, let's put these 2 patches to my hoodie jacket. That was easy. Now, let's do the same thing with the other sleeve.
Still count wins when they got it on record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record deals.
Customized jacket is done. Now, let's put this keychain to my key and let's use this sticker to my phone case. Everything is done and I'm very proud with the result. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
No, any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.